Welcome to NFS Traveler. Celebrating the new year with family becomes especially warm and memorable when it centers on simple home decorations and cooking a favorite meal together, such as fried rice with chili chicken, turning everyday household items into symbols of joy and togetherness. Start by decorating the house using what you already have. Clean and reuse glass jars or cups as candle holders, hang fairy lights or paper lanterns made from colored paper, decorate walls with balloons, ribbons, and a handmade Happy New Year banner, and involve children and elders alike by letting them write wishes or goals for the coming year on small cards to display around the living space. Rearranging furniture slightly can create an open, cozy area for gathering, while a dining table decorated with a simple cloth, flowers, or even neatly arranged spices and sauces can reflect the theme of home-cooked celebration. Cooking fried rice and chili chicken together becomes the heart of the day, so divide tasks among family members to keep everyone engaged. One person washing and chopping vegetables, another marinating chicken, someone stirring sauces, and others preparing rice, turning the kitchen into a lively place filled with conversation, laughter, and music. Fried rice symbolizes comfort and sharing, with its colorful mix of rice, vegetables, eggs, and sauces, while chili chicken adds a festive, restaurant-style touch that feels special for the new year. Cooking together not only speeds up the process but also strengthens family bonds as recipes, tips, and stories are exchanged. As the food cooks, keep the atmosphere cheerful by playing favorite songs, tasting together, and encouraging children to help with safe tasks like mixing or garnishing. Once the meal is ready, serve it family style, letting everyone help themselves, which creates a relaxed and inclusive dining experience. You can enhance the moment by lighting candles, sharing gratitude for the past year, and talking about hopes for the year ahead while enjoying the freshly cooked food. After the meal, continue the celebration with simple activities like family games, watching a movie, sharing old photos, or stepping outside briefly to enjoy the night air and fireworks if visible. As midnight approaches, gather everyone for a countdown, exchange warm wishes, and perhaps enjoy a small dessert or tea together, ending the night with smiles and a feeling of closeness. By combining creative household decoration with the shared joy of cooking and eating fried rice and chili chicken, the New Year celebration becomes meaningful, affordable, and deeply rooted in family togetherness, proving that heartfelt moments at home often create the most lasting memories. Thanks for watching this. I hope you will support my channel.